eat a lot of fat. I put fat in my coffee. I drink bone broth with more fat. I'll eat soups with a lot of fat. I make little fat squares and little fat hearts. I also eat just butter. I am a high-fat carnivore, and life is good. One of my favorite steaks is a picanha. Let's see how lovely that's looking. Oh yeah. I have a little fan going, help keep me comfy while I'm cooking.